Hi, this is Russ Vaughan for theforestblog.com. We're up here on the Colville National Forest again, and I've been talking about areas that are very, very thick and overstocked. Well, we've found a prime example of that here. There are thousands of trees per acre here, and they are now falling in on themselves. You can see these small trees here. There's nothing really growing on the forest floor. The canopy is closed. There's not many big trees here. This was probably logged or maybe burned at some point in the past, and then it never went through its cycle to thin itself back out again. You've got some hardwood trees falling in on themselves, some cedar, some larch, some spruce, a variety of species here. And can you imagine a forest fire coming through here? It's going to burn everything in sight. It's going to burn very hot, and it's going to be very, very difficult for these soils to recover. So this is why we do our thinning, because we want to see these forests release and become a mature, functioning, healthy forest. Again, we're right next to a road. This is an easy area to manage. This is not excessive slope, although it is steep. We have plenty of mechanisms to do it that are not disruptive to the soil. And we can really reduce some of the fuels. Now, it's important to have some areas that are thick like this for different habitat types and for hiding for animals and things like that. The problem is we've got large contiguous acreages like this, hundreds of thousands, millions of acres nationwide that look very similar to this. In some cases even worse than this. And this is what we can fix. And again, if we could create the byproduct of really healthy, good forest restoration activities going to become our products to build our homes and our communities with, I think that's a great thing. It's a win-win-win. And we can build more businesses that take the byproduct of these activities and these efforts and really benefit the economics of these rural communities and help them rebuild their economies. So thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. This is a really thick stand of timber that's overstocked. It's starting to fall in on itself, and it's not even mature yet. So these trees are probably much older than we would think they are, because they're all starving for nutrients and water and all the soil has to provide here. So thank you for watching. This is Russ Vaughan for theforestblog.com.